Have you ever wondered how the F-35 seems to think for itself in midair? This isn't science fiction. It's smart aviation at its peak. Every second, the F-35 analyzes data to stay steps ahead of time. Its onboard systems read the sky like a book, adjusting before the pilot even blinks. It feels almost alive, reacting in real time with zero delay. That's the magic of next-generation intelligence in flight. The F-35 doesn't just fly. It predicts, it adapts, it evolves in real time. You're not flying an aircraft, you're flying the future. When the F-35 lands, it already knows what it needs. Sensors deep inside report every detail of the flight. Technicians don't guess. They're guided by real-time diagnostics. It's called predictive maintenance, and it saves time and missions. Parts are ready before they fail. Efficiency isn't optional, it's engineered. Every checkup is a conversation between human and machine. The F-35 speaks through numbers, alerts, and subtle changes. This is not routine service, it's intelligent care. What does it feel like to fly the F-35? Pilots say it disappears. It becomes part of you. The controls respond like intuition, not commands. The helmet isn't just for vision. It's a window into the aircraft's mind. Data overlays reality. You see more, you feel more. Flying the F-35 is more than movement. It's immersion. This isn't about muscle or power. It's about presence, finesse, and precision. When you're inside the F-35, the sky bends to your rhythm. The F-35 doesn't just fly, it listens. Its sensors track changes in air pressure, heat, and vibration with astonishing precision. This real-time sensory input fuels adaptive decisions, helping the F-35 respond like a living system, not a machine. It's the kind of awareness that allows pilots to feel connected, not just to the aircraft, but to the sky itself. What if a fighter jet could learn, just like you do? The F-35 isn't frozen in time. It's built to adapt, update, and grow smarter every single day. It senses, analyzes, and adjusts in real time. Each mission makes it wiser. This isn't just a jet, it's an intelligent ecosystem in motion. The F-35 isn't just a machine, it's a living blueprint of tomorrow. Its intelligence grows with every update, reshaping what flight can mean. It listens, learns, and responds, built not just to operate, but to evolve. While others age, the F-35 reinvents itself with each passing phase. It's less of a product and more of a promise. Imagine an aircraft that keeps rewriting its own rules. From sensors to software, its entire structure is future-ready. It adapts not only to the mission, but to the world around it. What you're seeing isn't just innovation, it's transformation in motion. And this is just the beginning of its next evolution. And the story doesn't stop here. Subscribe now to follow the F-35's journey into its next evolution. Part 3 is coming soon, with more unseen details and breakthroughs. Don't miss the future as it unfolds, one flight at a time.